Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of this channel, and today we're going to be talking about a funny trend that's happening right now, which is called the DOGEMON Go. Okay, so if you guys are new to this channel, as usual, we talk about cryptocurrencies, NFTs, decentralized finance, as well as digital assets. And if you guys are new to this channel, I would recommend to go smash the like button if you like our content, subscribe to this channel if you want to learn some more stuff about all of these things, and let us know in the comment section below if you have any question, any request, or anything to say. So let's get started. Okay, so I was browsing the internet, I don't know, a few minutes ago. I was looking for some, trendy shitcoins and altcoins, and I actually ended up finding that funny thing that they started to launch. It is called the DOGEMON, and since we have been talking about the play to earn and all the things that are related to making money while playing some games, then I thought it would be super fun to make a video about it, because the principle of this game is pretty simple. If you guys heard about Pokemon Go, then you guys must know the whole concept. It is pretty simple. The idea is actually to immerse yourself into a virtual world that's happening right in between a virtual world and a real world. And so you will basically, walk outside in the street with your phone and check a little bit around what's happening through your screen, but then you'll be basically in the real world and at the same time with your phone in the game, so in the virtual world. And so in Pokemon Go, what would happen is that you would find some Pokemons to catch, you would be able to train them, you could, meet some other people playing as you are, and then organizing some kinds of Pokemon fights and go into arenas and stuff like that. In DOGEMON Go, it's pretty much the same idea. The only one different is that you will basically be catching cryptos, as funny as it seems to hear. But basically it'd be true. It's an earn while playing game, which will let you actually win, well, not really win, but find some cryptocurrencies inside of the game by playing, which is called the so we'll see later how to buy it, but it's basically called the it's the DOGEMON Go. The name of the currency is the SDOGO, so the dollar Dogo, which follows the trend of Dogecoin and the Shiba Inu dog and all that. Here you can see a little bit the roadmap of how it works. So as you can see, start catching DOGEMONs today. If you're a great trainer, you can find real cryptocurrency as prey among other DOGEMONs, which you can withdraw, which means that you will be able, if you succeed inside of the game, to make some money while finding cryptocurrencies. I believe you're going to be facing other people that, as you are, all playing against you. So it's pretty simple. What you need to do is play inside of the game so that you can earn Dogo credits by catching DOGEMONs and earn Dogecoins by catching Dogecoins, which means that you'll be virtually catching these cryptocurrencies. Then you will increase your DOGEMON Go level by increasing your Dogo credits. So the credit is actually going to be convertible into real cryptocurrencies in the future. Then as it increases, your credit reward and chances to get more DOGEMONs and Dogecoin will increase as well, which means that it's all exponential as you succeed in the game and as you catch some of these, which means that it's going to be increasing, and you'll have some more opportunities inside of the game in order for you to make more money and catch more cryptos. Now with Dogo credits, you will be able to buy rocket balls, which is apparently a trainer license, something like that, which you will be able to use inside of the game for you to, upgrade your level, so that by upgrading your level, you'll be able to get some more coins and, make more money. And then you will be able to swap Dogo credits into Dogo tokens, and that's where you start making money, because you're making money through Dogo tokens, which, is a cryptocurrency. So that's how it will basically start to become effective and a real money-making app. Then, as you have license, as you have a license, then you'll be able to invite your friends, earn a 2% Doge credit anytime your friends are going to be earning some money. I mean, some virtual money, which makes it pretty fun, because you have like the same referral link as you would have on an airdrop or affiliate marketing strategy. The only one difference being that you still playing the game, and your friend is also going to be playing with you, and it's all super collaborative. So they're smart. They understood that if you make your friends come inside of the game and start to make some money with it, then you're more likely to do it, and some people are more likely to join the game and make it a bigger thing month after month. And so it's pretty cool for that too. As a trainer with license, so you can invite friends, and then you'll be able to visit special places to get special rewards, which means that with these special rewards, you'll be able to, keep increase your level and keep increase your experience inside of the game. And as you can see, it is a super virtual world, which means that it works the same way as Pokemon Go. You're both on real life and at the same time on a virtual world. So it stays with that idea that you guys will be browsing a virtual world as you would in Decentraland, the Sandbox, or all the videos we have been talking about recently about NFT games and everything related to that virtuality of world. As you can see here, this is pretty funny as well. They actually created animals such as Pokemon, so the same principle of Pokemons, but with cryptocurrency. So you have the Flocky Elephant, based on the Ethereum, obviously, as you guys guessed it. The Bion, so the BNB Lion. Then you have the Bitbull, which is obviously the Bitcoin, and so on. And so you basically have, same here with Solux, Solana, Cake, well, as the Cake. I don't know, I guess this is Cardano, Chibi with Shiba Inu, Lightbird for Litecoin, and so on. And so the whole trend of cryptocurrency will be available in that game, being transformed into a crypto world. So it's a mix between Pokemon and the cryptocurrency world. As you can see, even the font they used to write the title is the same as in Pokemon. So it's pretty fun if you guys like that culture. If you have been just like me, raised with that Pokemon culture, then it's probably something you're likely to enjoy, especially if you're a crypto fan, as I am too. And so it's a pretty fun experience to challenge. And so it's really, really fun to do. Now what we're going to be doing is that I'm going to show you a little bit how you can buy some DOGEMON Go. If you guys want to get started, you can still join the app and make some crypto inside of the game for free. But this is just to talk a little bit about their token, so that you guys can understand a little bit better how it works and what are the characteristics of that token. It's obviously not the best cryptocurrency ever, but you can still change it into Dogecoin, which you will be later able to change into any crypto, or this one you can still swap it on Pancake Swap and any other cryptocurrency that you like. And so this is a cool way to make money once again. And it's a tiny crypto. It's pretty recent too. So if we go on the then you can see it launched during the 5th of August 2021, which means that it's not even a month old. So it's just the beginning. Right now it has a coin market cap, trading market cap of $324,761, which means that it's increasing by 5.35%, but it's still pretty low compared to other cryptos. But once again, it's already a month old. The global market cap is about $12 million, so not too bad. Pretty cool. Then same here, it went down right now, but it's it's still interesting. It's a $1,213 price range for right now, but once again, it can still go up in the future. And whatever you do, just keep in mind that you can still convert it into any other cryptocurrency once you get it inside of the game. So it's still really profitable to go for that app. If you want to make some money using cryptocurrencies and playing a funny guy that will mix the Pokemon ecosystem and the crypto one. And it's pretty easy. If you want to get started right now, I would suggest to go on the App Store, on Google Play, or you can still download it as an APK file so that you can get started right now and, you know, start experimenting a little bit with the app and start making your first DOGEMON crypto on your wallet. You can, you know, also check the map, everything that's available on the website. And right now I'm going to show you how you guys can buy some DOGEMON if you want to, you know, if you want to buy some before you start playing the game. And for you to do that, it's pretty simple. All you need to do here is to click on buy Doge, and you'll be redirecting to PancakeSwap. Then all you need to do is to connect to your wallet, and here I'm going to connect to my MetaMask extension, which is available on my computer, but you can still do the same on your phone. Downloading the MetaMask MetaMask or Trust Wallet browser on the app. And then, you know, you have your BNB inside of PancakeSwap. You select the amount you want to transfer. Let's say here 0.2, for example. In this case, I do not have any BNB, which is the reason why the balance is at 0. Then here, you know, all you need to do is to select the cryptocurrency you're looking for. In this case, we're going to be we're going to go back to CoinMarketCap so that I can, you know, select the Binance Smart Chain address. There you go. Then, you know, just paste it by selecting a currency, paste the address over here, and then there you go. Here's the Doge. Then I understand, import, and then you click here and it's all done. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel, like your content, comment below if you have any question or anything, or I don't know, if you had an experience on DOGEMON Go. Let us know what are your feedbacks about the app, about the game, about how much crypto you made inside of the game. Let us know in the comment section below, and see you guys for a next video. Bye bye.